I don't know what. You want some food? Oh, no hands. Oh, already got it on your hands. Don't choke. You gotta get used to it. You're scaring me. Come here. No hands.
You're a lot, aren't you?
Well, because you barely get any in there. Back up, back up. Open up. Don't choke. Why is she doing that?
She's not used to having something solid.
Yeah.
You can water it down a little bit too.
Let's see. I don't want to make it messier. Open up. Open up. Whoop.
She's hurting her, or she's in the vomit zone. What is it you're giving her, like oatmeal?
Rice cereal. Want some more? You can't do it yet. Mommy has to do it for you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Whoop. Whoop. Want some?
Healthy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So the doctor was impressed on how much she grabs stuff.
Ooh. 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 It's okay. It's okay. Go with the spoon. Are you okay? It's okay. She's gonna vomit all over me.
I think I can get the drink.
Is that what she said? Wipe her fingers and just fling it everywhere.
You're violent. We've got pizzas for later. It's gonna take so good. Oh, Jesus. Come here. Come here, crazy. You're freaking me out. Stop it. You okay? Put it. Want some more of that? Oh. You can't have the spoon. Nom. You'll get used to it. After you tell it, Mom.
Give her a drink.
Drag.
Give her a drink.
And some milk. Open. No one.
Silly baby.
You want some milk? No. Is that better?
How much you supposed to give her?
A couple tablespoons. I mean, I made too much, but I didn't know. Want to try a little bit more? Huh? Yeah.
You're showing it to us. That's great. Mommy should smear it all over your face. Cover the stuff. You cover more area.
How was that, Violet? Yeah. He's making some music. Oh, you're gonna throw up at some point. I just know it. Yeah, I think maybe. Uh-oh.
We shouldn't press our luck right now.
Is that enough? Y'all done? Y'all done? Yay! 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 Good girl! Good girl! No. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Good job, Josie. Boop, boop. Right. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you.